What I do when you're not looking. I was just sitting there playing with these, listening to some videos. And I got so many babies here that I'm going to turn off the video. Hold on. Yeah, so she's leaving. Oh, she's leaving soon. And it's going to be just me and her. I'm going to be able to do a lot more things because I only got one doggy. It's a lot of work to have two. I mean, I love Bailey, but she gotta go home to her daddy. Anyways, we're gonna put these in water. These are the wider spiders, the bigger spider. I got this from a lady in town here. I went to her yard sale and she ended up giving me this plant, and this is a year later. Well, a little bit over a year later. And I have two of them now. Where's the other one again? Anyways, I will show you guys in a bit when I realize where I have hanging her. But anyways, oh, right, she's right there. And she's got some babies coming out, I think. She's got some babies coming out. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do, it's hard to hold the camera, but how she's got like all these babies, and then if I cut her, there'll be more coming, see? There'll be more flowers blooming, and then they turn into a flower, then they turn into this. So the same with the other type of spiders, the ones that I have over there. Same thing, they have a bunch of babies there that I'm gonna propagate too. But I want to do these ones. So we're gonna put this video. I'm trying to set it up over here. Let's see if it works. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Something in front of it. Oops. There's no edge. Is it going? Oh, it might not work out. Oh. Maybe I can put this. My little change jar. This Thursday. Nope. It's sliding too. No, it's not. It's not gonna work. We're done. Alright, I'm gonna figure it out. Okay. Okay. Hey, we gotta figure it out. Okay. Let's do this. Where's that with the scissor? I'm gonna cut one. You can see from this. But we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna just cut them first. And then I'll show them. I'm just cutting them off a little bit of the line, keeping a little bit of the line on it. Keeping a little bit of like one. One more. Oh, they're so beautiful. Hello, spiders. Okay, so here we go. Here we go now. Okay. Look at this one. This one. Oh, what do you got here? I'm gonna put them on the bed. Oh yeah.